In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents with Claude Sonnet. AI agents are sophisticated digital assistants that you can program to perform a variety of tasks autonomously. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build one that suits your specific needs, whether for customer service, tech support, or other applications. First, we need to decide on the agent's job. It's crucial to define the purpose clearly to maintain focus as you build your AI. Let's say you're creating a customer support bot. This specific use case will influence how you design the bot's interactions and functionalities. A customer support bot should be able to understand customer inquiries, provide relevant information, or escalate issues to human agents when necessary. To begin, we need to create an account with Anthropic. This company offers tools that help developers build and implement AI agents. Navigate to the Anthropic console, which is the platform where all the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to generate an API key. This key will be crucial as it allows your applications to communicate securely with the Anthropic platform. Keep this API key safe as it's pivotal for all subsequent steps. With your API key ready, it's time to set up your project within the Anthropic console. The interface is user-friendly, but take time to familiarize yourself with different sections and options. Initiate a new project dedicated to your customer support agent to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Next, let's connect Claude Sonnet by writing some basic code. Claude Sonnet is a component that helps construct natural language models, which are essential for understanding and responding to user queries accurately. If you're new to this, don't worry. Most platforms, including Anthropic, offer comprehensive documentation and examples to help you set up Claude Sonnet in your project. The goal here is to establish a robust foundation upon which the rest of your agent will be built. After you've connected Claude Sonnet, it's time to add tools to transform your project into a functional agent. These tools can include script recognition, user query understanding, and more. These are intrinsic features and capabilities that support your AI in carrying out tasks efficiently. Make sure the tools you select are fine-tuned to match your defined use case for optimal performance. Finally, we'll create the agent loop. This loop is the ongoing process where your agent continuously takes inputs, processes them using Claude Sonnet, and provides outputs back to your users. It's a cycle of receiving user inquiries, interpreting them accurately, and generating helpful, context-aware responses. Incorporating a feedback loop can help refine the AI's output over time based on real user interactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional AI agent tailored specifically to the tasks you've laid out. As you grow more familiar with these concepts and tools, you can continue to expand and enhance your agent